Here's a brand new website out there that will pay you instantly and free paper money. All you have to do is order to get paid is copy and paste some links. It requires no social media following, no skill or experience, and of course it's available worldwide. If you want to make a lot of the money with absolute else, then this is the perfect video for you. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of the content and if you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below, and so you don't miss out on any future video to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, so let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, the very first website we will be using today is order to make the good money online is the one here called yazing.com, and you can right away see what this site is about when you came on their homepage. Get paid for every purchase you make and influence online. So basically this platform offers cashback to the people who purchase something, and obviously since we are not here to spend money but rather make money, we are not interested in that what this site has to offer apart from the cashbacks that we are actually interested in. So you can see it just below get paid to provide Yazing also pays you cash reward when you promote any brand deal and coupon page with other, and your influence generate sales, so you can actually make money by promoting other people products, and you will see soon enough why it is what we are using this site is particular to get paid for the promotion and not some affiliate marketplace, for example. Anyways, as you can see right next to this, they will pay you super fast, so you don't have to wait around it in order to actually collect your earnings, as it's the case with so many other platforms, and through that platform they will pay you. You can see just below it's none other than PayPal, which is a platform most of you watching this love. So for those of you who have been wondering up until now, this site does offer PayPal indeed. Anyways, what you guys will need to do when you first came on this site is create a brand new account. To do so, just click on the join button right up here on the next page. Just enter in your username, email address and the password, and then click on the register now to create your account so you can actually start making money on this site. So once you log into your new account, this is how everything will look, and if you scroll down you will now be able to see all of these brands from which you can either get cashbacks or get paid to promote. And obviously, as I said before, we want to provide them. And check this out, guys, if I wanted to promote these brands for experience, I would get paid 500 for the doing, which when you think about it is insane. To say the latest, all I would have to do is to click to promote to earn, then grab that referral link, and whatever someone makes the purchase via the link, I would earn 500. So here's a lot of the money to be made. Here's the most definitely. Now remember how I said I would explain later on us as to many we are using this particular site to promote brands and get paid. Well, here's why when you click on the promote to earn from any one of these brands, you will be able to grab your referral links instantly, as you can see, so you don't have to request for approval and then wait around doing nothing, as it's in case with so many other platforms. You can instead grab your link immediately, which is one of the main reasons this site is good. With that said, guys, you can grab the referral link to any of those offers, but I would recommend you to grab the referral link to a brand in the specifics niche, the animal niche. You will see why is this case soon. For now thought, what you will need to do is to click on the select category here and then click on the animals and pets price. That will take you over to this page. Here you will now just grab the referral link to any one of these brands for the as long as it's referred to animals. It doesn't matter which one of this, and what's grab your referral links to any of this. It's now time for me to show you a traffic source you can use to get the traffic to a link, so you can actually make money online. The traffic source is question is actually Instagram, and I will show you guys how you can use the Instagram to get traffic even with the 0 followers. So you don't need to do social media following for this whatsoever. Anyways, what you will need to do on Instagram is create a brand new page that is all about the dogs, since after all we're promoting a brand about the dogs. And so that is what our page should be about. You want to make sure the name of your page is related to the dogs, and the profile picture as well as the bio. And once you set all that up, it's now time for the next steps. The next steps will be add some posts on your dog page, and here's is no sites more perfect for the obtaining free to use and professionally take images to the pixels.com. On here you can find hundreds of the thousands of the photos on just about anything, and more importantly for us, you can download and use them freely on your page. And so what I want you guys to do on here is type something like the dog puppy, cute dog, and so on in the search bar. In doing so, we'll show you all of these images that you can use, and you now want to download a few of them. To do so, just click on this arrow right here. You don't want to download like 5 to 10 of them, or for now, as you won't be needing too many for the time being. For this, just come back over on Instagram and upload a few of them on the page. And once you do so, once you upload a few of them onto your page, it's now time for me to show you how you will be actually grow your page on Instagram. So that's you can actually make money. What you need to do is to search and open some big dog or animal pages. In the general, here's one of the open as an example, and what you will now want to do is to open up their followers here and followers as many people as you possibly can. We are doing this to grow our pages. This is actually the way most pages grow on Instagram. They follow a bunch of the people who are following some pages similar to their own, and they end up in their notifications. And what do you think someone will do who loves dogs, for example, and then sees in their notifications a dog page? Chances are they will follow them back. And this is how, as I said, most pages on Instagram grow, and how we will grow as well. This can be incredibly effective because in like 20 minutes you can follow hundreds of the people. Meanwhile, that you can potentially grow your pages to the hundreds of the followers in the like a week or even less. Before we go through now is the perfect time for me to explain why we are for the animal niche in the first place. The reason is that it's extremely popular. As simple as that is the far easier to grow to the dog page rather than the pages about the something else, because the dog niche is one of the biggest on Instagram, and since Instagram will be our traffic sources, the amount of the money we will be able to make will depend directly on the number of our followers. And things is why, guys, we went for the animal niche in particular. It can simply put makes us far more money. Anyways, once you grow your pages to the certain degrees, you will want to upload the dog photos and at least 3 to 4 times a week. This is to make sure that your page actually grows even more from there. And after some time, sometimes has passed, guys, what you will want to do is to leave something in your bio along the lines of the best dog spray products for a good price, and then leave your referral links to got way back in the beginning to Yazing. And in this fashion, literally thousands of the people following you will be able to see it, and every single time some of them makes the purchase, you will earn money. And if you do the math, hundreds of the people buying the products from the brand you're promoting that cost. For example, $20 would make the thousands of the dollars, and if the thousand or more to do so, that's the more money. In this fashion, guys, with your dog page, not only will be able to make a lot of the money, it's completely passive income, but you will do without having that much work whatsoever. And anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you like it and if you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos, just like this one, then click on the red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you will be notified whatever a new video pops up. As always, thanks you for watching, and I'll see you soon.